Auntie, the butterfly is so scared. The butterfly almost died. You know that butterflies are scared of humans. What a car. Yes, ready. Done now.
Let's drink it. Alright, the new species can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas and Tibet. And some migrating juveniles heading south happen to have lost their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. Again, it happens to be one of them. He was found weak and dehydrated along shopping district right here in Singapore. Well, that was in the year 2005. We rescued him and nursed him back to great health. Now, after all, he is a survivor. Alright, guys, thank you very much for coming out. But it's time to you are about to experience the owl's unique ability of silent fly. You heard him flapping the street, thank you very much. Well, this is because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So when you sense of hearing, so the owl have to be very quiet in order to catch the prey, not making any sound at all. But that is why they are also known as the silent hunters, except for Antarctica. And they have hypersensitive hearing, which enables them to hunt in total darkness. 12 years old. Let's take a look at sweet, adorable Soren right there. Now, how old do you think he is? Fully grown, that's right. Okay, Soren, it's time for you to head back home. All the way. Wow, another silent flight. And take a look at it up for our lovely owls. Thank you, Kara. Good afternoon, everyone. The Southern Caribbean can be found in South America, and look at him go. Well known for their foraging habits, these birds are very opportunistic. They have long legs and flat claws, which enable them to overturn the rocks easily. So around, were you able to find all the pieces of food I've eaten? Not to worry, let's move on to the tree. The leaves. There you go. Hey, awesome. Look at that. He's actually sweeping the leaves aside. Oh, amazing job there. Thank you. Alright, so Raul here has been with us. Time to head back inside. Ladies and gentlemen, now sounding. Ladies and gentlemen, please look right over there. That is Hazel. Alright. So Hazel's right here. Okay, not to worry. Now for those of you holding on to umbrellas, kindly lower them please, alright? So Hazel here is a hooded vulture, can be found in Africa as I mentioned. Now the birds will be flying low above your head, so please remember, do not try to reach out and touch the bird. Here you go, another silent flight. All the way to my click right out there. Excellent. Now hooded vultures are one of the small dirty, right? So imagine they're feeding on a carcass, they're able to reach the inner parts of it and clean themselves easily right after meal. Alright, now the bird's gonna fly low. So right here, you can see there are tiny feathers at the back of the head. Now these forms up like a hood. Exactly how they got the name, the hooded vulture. And of course, hooded vultures are critically endangered in the wild. Not many of them left. So we're gonna talk about more about conservation later on in the show, but in the meantime, Hazel has done well and it's time for her to head back home. Ladies and gentlemen, Hazel out to the Gulf of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. And they're the most numerous, over 10 million in the wild. Now, they act as smoke signals. Now, by flying low, it means they have picked up the stench of rotting meat. The big birds like the king vultures, which lack this unique ability, will follow the turkey vultures' lead. But it will be the job of those big vultures to do the job. Alright, looks like Titan wants to head back home to his trainer. One, so she's waiting for you. Ladies and gentlemen, our turkey vulture, look at him. And a great snatch there. Wow. Now for those of you who have missed it, not to worry, we shall do this once again. And you got it twice in a row. Thank you. Awesome. Would you like to see more of that? Yes or no? Right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'll be doing 5 high thrusts up into the air. And let's see how many of those thrusts can these birds catch, alright? So let's not wait any longer. Get into position. And here we go. Whoa, number 1. Okay, next up. Alright, sorry, I didn't see that. How about him? Number 2. The one in the center. 3, doing it so far. 4. Okay, let me see if I can do a read. Let me aim for the one sitting on the tree right there. Here he comes and... Wow, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our brownie time! Wow, that was incredible. I've seen that in Singapore before. Absolutely right, they're actually a local other water bodies. Now because where they can be found, they mainly hunt for fish. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a group of birds out here and let me introduce them to you. Now, the small brown ones are the cinereous vultures. They can be found in Africa, Europe, and Asia. And the 2 lovely ladies, the one right beside my click right there, and the one right behind me, and these 2 are the marble storks, also known as the old man stork. Now, these birds can be found in Africa as well. In fact, all of them coexist together in the wild, where they feed on a huge carcass. That's right. The vultures are very important birds in the environment. They help reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carcasses. And that is why they are also known as nature's cleanup crew. Unfortunately, some of them are rapidly declining in the wild. For example, did you know that the cinereous vultures are near threatened? That's right. And remember the hooded vulture, they are critically facing extinction in the wild. Now, in countries such as India and Cambodia have officially banned the distribution and use of veterinary medicine containing diclofenac, a substance which poses a fatal risk to vultures. However, this is not enough because vultures are still threatened by 2 other main factors, and that is poaching and deliberate poisoning. That they certainly deserve and merit the title, the King of the Sky. Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the show, right? And Mike is on position. They will be giving you cues. So we're gonna please behind. For the rest of you, please kindly visit your cooperation. So be patient, and in the meantime, enjoy the bliss on this still out here, right? So once again, thank you very much. You have been a great audience. I hope you have enjoyed your day right here in the Jurong Park. And goodbye.
Bye. 左边是它的右脚，你的脚边。 Oh.
Okay, overall,